Welcome to the 2024 New Year's Challenge. Today's class is a 10-minute core-focused Pilates class. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope we are so excited by the first week of our challenge. We're already maybe feeling a little more energized and excited. I certainly am. Always let me know how you're doing in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Now today's class is a quick 10-minute core-focused class. This one does slowly build up to bigger and bigger core exercises. You always have the option to take it a little slower, modify for yourself. Remember, this is not a race. This is a challenge meant to make us feel better, stronger, more confident in our bodies. No props are needed whatsoever. Simply roll out your mat. Let's get started. Okay friends, we are going to start on our back. So just lie down. I like to have my hands a little bit away from my body so it helps encourage my chest to stay open. Let's start by imprinting the spine, shoulders down, nose points to the sky, and let's wake up our lower body with a few pelvic tips. Just rock your low back away from the mat and then push it down. Kind of imagine that there is a little penny right near the lower portion of your back. And when we imprint the spine, you're kind of squishing the penny. When you rock away, you make space in the lower back, that kind of natural curve that happens. Notice as you do this, are you using more of your legs to accomplish this? Do you feel your thighs kind of kicking on? And it's okay, they will get involved, but I want you to begin to concentrate on your abdominal muscles more. Each time you squish the penny, think about wrapping the tummy in, feeling those tummy muscles work, and then letting it go. Exhale, wrap the tummy in. Inhale, let it go. Once or twice more. Last one, press the low back down, pause. What's going on in your upper body? Shoulders down, nose to the sky. Fan the fingers wide, push them into the floor as well so we have a nice sturdy base. Press deeply into the floor with your left leg as you pick up the right. Set it down, exhale, pick up the left. Take that back and forth, just lifting and lowering each knee. Now be very mindful of what's going on in the low back. Continue to lightly squish the penny. We don't want to just suck in the tummy muscles. Instead, it's a wrapping in for me and that lightly pressing down into our imaginary penny. Now from here, the next time that you pick up the right leg, keep it there and see if you can pick up the left to meet the right. Now already we might feel our tummy muscles kick on a little bit. Instead of lifting and lowering the legs, now we're gonna tap the toe to the ground, exhale, pick it up. Tap the toe, exhale, pick it up, right leg, left leg. If you notice that your lower back is arching away from the mat, or it feels like your belly button is trying to kind of pooch up to the sky, make your movement smaller. Keep it more in control. Inhale down and away, exhale, lift. Inhale down and away, exhale, lift. What's going on in your chest? Relax the face, smile. I know it's a big one. Shoulders stay down, back and forth. Now if this is enough, stay exactly like this. If we want to kick it up a notch, I want you to tap your right toe to the floor, pause, and we're going to quickly switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause both legs together. Left leg down, navel up and in, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, both legs together. Right leg down, again, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, both legs together. Last time, left toe starts down, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, beautiful, both legs up and in. 5 times, can you reach both toes down to the ground? Exhale, bring it up. If your legs don't actually touch, that's okay. Relax the neck, the chest. I know it's so hard. Inhale, toes down and away. Exhale, lift it up. Remember, when we are moving our legs away, it's not a can-can. I'm not bending at the knee. My thighs are moving away from my body. The thighs are coming back up into place. 2 more, down and away. Exhale, lift. Last one, down and away. Exhale, lift, pause. Set the feet on the floor, push down firmly into the ground. Let's lift into a small bridge. Space between chin and chest, squeeze your thigh-butt connection, roll all the way down to the ground once more. Stump into the floor with the left leg, straighten the right leg up to the sky. If there's a bend in the knee, that is a-okay. If we can fully straighten, amazing. Try flexing the foot, pushing the heel up, shoulders down. Slowly drop your heel towards the ground on a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point, quick kick up. You got that? We're going to do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point, kick it up. Every time you kick the leg up, think of that as a big, deep exhale, a deep, full engagement of your tummy muscles. 2 more like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point, kick. Last one like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kick. Pause. Now we're going to do that again. One more set. If you want to make it more challenging, pick up the left leg, hold it in that lovely little tabletop or chair pose, and then flex. Drop it. 5, 4, 3, 2, point, kick it up. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, point, kick it up. You can go faster than me, slower than me. As a reminder, going slower is usually harder. But use that big exhale to bring the leg back up. 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kick. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kick. Set both feet down. Wiggle anything out. Little wiggles are fine. And then stomp into the right leg, wrap the tummy in, point the left leg up to the sky. Flex, point the toe, find some movement. And again, if there's a little bend in the knee, that's okay. We're all different. Flex it if you can. We drop. 5, 4, 3, 2, point, kick it up. See how steady you can keep your body. Notice what's happening in the hips. Notice what's happening in your chest, in your upper body. We don't want to jostle around. Instead, it's like I'm pinning my shoulders down, keeping the hips nice and still. Take it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, point, kick. 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, point, kick. Last one like this, and then we'll take it up a notch. Big exhale. Pick up the right leg, and we go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, kick it up. See if you can keep the right leg totally still. Can you continue to squish your imaginary penny? Nose points up to the sky like Pinocchio. Heel is dragging your leg down. Your big exhale kicks the leg up. 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick. Straighten both legs up to the sky. Flex the feet for me. Point the toes, which feels better for you. I'm okay with either one. Drop your right leg a little bit away from the left. There's a little separation. Full big inhale. Exhale, switch. Switch. This is not the biggest, deepest kind of scissor you could possibly do. We're just getting the range of motion, making sure our lower back stays connected to the ground. My tummy is working already here. If you want to take it a little bigger, dropping the leg further down, go for it. Obviously our legs are working, but really my abdominal muscles are holding me in place. Back and forth. Keep extending through the legs. Toes can be pointed, flex, soft. I'm less concerned with that. 2 more. Last set. Last one. Both legs together. Set the feet down. Stomp into the floor. Imprint the spine. Inhale, lift up. Bridge pose. Exhale, roll down. Pause. Hands behind the head. Elbows nice and wide. Take a full big inhale. Curl your head and chest up, folding from the sternum. Look over your knees. Take a great big inhale. Exhale, 5 tiny mini crunches up. This is our starting and ending spot. Don't go lower than this. Big inhale, tiny lift, tiny lower. Tiny lift, tiny lower. Keep space between chin and chest. 3, 2, lift, hold, take a big breath. Exhale, pick up your right leg, set it down. Exhale, pick up your left leg. set it down. Just like we did at the start of class, still, are you squishing your little imaginary penny? Are you wrapping the tummy and not sucking, feeling those abdominal muscles turn on, contract? You got it. 2 more. Now pick up your right leg, hold it there. See if you can pick the left up to meet the right, lift up a little higher, and we tap our right toe, lift, tap our left toe, lift. Little taps down. If your toes don't actually touch, that's okay. Do what your body needs. One more set. Now again, if we can, tap the right toe down, quick switches. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Left leg in. You can set the head down if you need to. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Curl up higher, lifting from the shoulders. Right leg down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got this. Last time. Left toe down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs in. Set everything down. Reach your hands over your head. Heel toe the feet apart. Knock the knees together. Take a windshield wiper side to side. You got this, my friend. Roll onto your tummy, gracefully or awkwardly. Drop the hands in front of your face. Let your head be heavy. Take your hands by your sides, pull your elbows in towards one another, shoulders down the back, a little lift up, little baby cobra. Squeeze your thud, roll it down. Inhale, little lift. Exhale, lower down. Last one, little lift. Drop it down. Push yourself up to a nice, easy seat. As always, my friend, a little bow of your chest, a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.